Hey everyone, welcome back. If Bumble keeps crashing as soon as you open it, this fix usually works. Here's how. Start by restarting your phone to clear temporary memory issues. After that, check for a update in the App Store. Head over to your App Store, open it, then search for Bumble and see whether you have updated your app or not. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and data, so always make sure that you have updated your app to the latest version. After that on Android, select Bumble and clear cache. On iPhone, long press on the app icon, then remove app, then delete app and delete the app. After deleting it, open App Store and reinstall it from there. Also, make sure your phone software is updated. Outdated system versions can cause app crashes. Avoid running too many apps in the background while using Bumble. Clear them out before using it. A clean reinstall fixes most Bumble crashing problems, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.